As an organization, we depend on donations. This could be material or cash, but we need to be efficient as to lower our fundraising expenses and have a better contribution income. This is our fundraising efficiency and the metrics that matter. Of course, monitoring this performance also help us. We're talking about program efficiency. Will help us to know how efficient we are in managing funds on our core purpose. These are two metrics that we will focus on, but there's more that we could talk about more later. But market forces, for example, in our business models environment, will help us to provide for homeless artists while they obtain some cash to cover their needs, or industry forces, for example, would rely dependently on their players. We're talking about volunteer workers, donations, supplies, or key activities that are in the turnkey operation to help to reach areas with high rates of homeless people. In our microeconomic forces, we lean our business, especially to operate our business and keep our management expenses as low as possible. For example, then our SWOT analysis on value proposition assessments is our value propositions have strong networks, for example. Um, this could help introduce our homeless artists to our mentors and networks. Of course, we have our strengths, our weaknesses, our opportunities, and our threats. Revenue streams, for example, we charge what customers are willing to pay for, or because our costs are predictable. And then, of course, in our key resources, our resources also are predictable. We deploy key resources in the right amount at the right time. And the key partners, we enjoy good working relationships with key partners. And our strength on our key activities, we are balancing our house versus outsources execution is ideal. Our customer segments, of course, is well segmented, as also our channels are very efficient. And then, of course, our customer relationship, because our brand is so strong, we have strong customer relationship. And of course, then we have our business model. This business model, as we started, and we did a lot of pivoting. And of course, for example, our value proposition changed, our customer relationship changed, our key resources changed, our cost structure changed, and of course, this is our final business model canvas. As we can see, most of the things are changed, especially our cost structures and our revenue stream, because it's a different business or different type of business. Thank you.